How you doing, guys? If you don't have a dash cam and a rear view cam, I just got this on Amazon for like $30, $35, close to $40, whatever it was, with tax. It came the next day. Start your car up. Comes right on. As soon as it comes right on, starts recording. I gotta go get an SD card. It didn't come with one. You put a 32 in there, whatever. And here's the front, as you can see. There's the back up top. And like I said, it was only 30 bucks out of Amazon. I got everything wired all the way through there. There's that little camera you see, the little piece up there. I'm gonna get me some good stuff wired in, but if you got a little Kia Soul, this fits right over the other mirror. So, and you can still use it as a rear view mirror. It cuts out. If you don't want to see this, you know, it'll cut out. I have it so it does cut out. I don't want that out there when I'm driving, but as you can see, it's still recording. It's only like 40 bucks on Amazon with tax. Go ahead and get you one.
Right here should be no problem with getting replaced, but they don't even want to replace it. So how am I supposed to hang up something that I bought from them if I don't know where to replace the things from to hang it? So basically, I'm not able to use my product because I can't get a replacement for something that I don't know where to get it from. So this is why I'm upset with this product, and I would like my money back.